In today's video, I am going to teach you how to timer says Zoho projects. To begin, make sure you are logged into Zoho projects and you are on the main workspace screen. The timer is started from inside a specific task, so the first thing you need to do is choose the correct project. Look to the left sidebar and find the list of your projects. Select the project you want to work on. This is important because Zoho projects keeps tasks and time entries organized per project, and starting in the right place helps you avoid tracking time under the wrong work. Once you are inside your project, move to the top navigation bar and click the Tasks tab. The Tasks area is where you will find the individual work items you can track time against. After you open the Tasks tab, take a moment to locate the exact task you need. If there are many tasks, scroll carefully so you do not open the wrong one. Next, click on the task itself to view it. This opens the task details page where you can see information like the task name, description, and any updates or activity connected to it. Starting the timer from this view ensures the time you track is attached directly to that task, which makes reporting and billing much easier later. Now go to the top area of the task and find the timer icon. Click that timer icon to start the timer. As soon as you start it, Zoho Projects begins tracking your time automatically in the background while you work. A helpful habit is to start the timer right as you begin focused work on the task, and to avoid letting it run while you switch to unrelated tasks. When you need to stop tracking time temporarily, pause the timer. You can do this anytime you take a break, attend a meeting, or shift to a different piece of work. After you pause it, update it after. This means you can review the time that was captured and make adjustments if needed, so your recorded time stays accurate and reflects what you actually worked on. That covers everything you need to know.